If you own a home in Miami, you know how important it is to protect your property against hurricanes and tropical storms. But did you know that installing impact windows does more than just shield your house from severe weather? Miami impact windows can actually boost your property's value in several ways, making them a smart investment for homeowners who care about safety, energy efficiency, and long-term resale appeal. Strong protection adds market value. First, buyers in Miami know what hurricane season can do. A home with professionally installed impact windows is instantly more attractive because it's safer. Impact windows are built to withstand heavy winds and flying debris, helping protect your family and your belongings during a storm. Because they meet strict Miami-Dade codes, these windows give future buyers peace of mind, which can translate into a higher selling price when you put your home on the market. Lower insurance premiums. Insurance companies love impact windows because they reduce the risk of hurricane-related damage. Many homeowners see their insurance premiums drop once they install them. This makes your property more desirable because lower premiums are a major selling point for buyers in South Florida. People want to save money on insurance wherever they can, and if your home already qualifies for a discount thanks to impact windows, you've got a powerful incentive to offer. Energy efficiency and comfort. Miami's heat and humidity are tough on your energy bills. Impact windows use high-performance glass that helps regulate indoor temperatures by blocking solar heat and harmful UV rays. That means less work for your air conditioner, which keeps your monthly bills down and your home more comfortable year-round. Buyers love homes that are energy efficient because they know they'll save money in the long run. When they see a house with impact windows, they recognize a quality feature that delivers immediate value. Noise reduction. In South Florida can be noisy, with busy streets, neighbors, and construction going on all the time. Impact windows are designed with strong, layered glass that not only resists storms but also blocks out a lot of exterior noise. This added quietness can be a huge selling feature if your property is near a busy area. Buyers see that your home offers not only protection from storms but also a peaceful retreat from the daily hustle and bustle. Curb appeal and modern style. Today's impact windows are stylish as well as strong. They come in many frame colors and styles that match modern architecture beautifully. Replacing old, worn-out windows with new impact-resistant options instantly improves the look of your home. Fresh, modern windows give your property a cleaner, more updated appearance, which can help it stand out to potential buyers. Long-term investment. Unlike regular windows, impact windows are built to last. They resist corrosion, fading, and wear from sun exposure, salt air, and moisture, common challenges in Miami. As a homeowner, you're investing in a feature that will continue to perform and look good for decades, which supports long-term property value. When it's time to sell, buyers will see the lasting benefits, and you'll likely see a higher return on your investment. Final thought. In Miami's competitive real estate market, impact windows do more than protect your home. They actively raise its value. They make your house safer, more energy efficient, and more attractive, all things that future buyers want. Whether you plan to sell in a few years or stay for decades, installing impact windows is a practical improvement with benefits you'll feel immediately and rewards you'll see when it's time to list your property. If you're ready to invest in your home's security, comfort, and long-term worth, Miami Impact Windows are a wise place to start.